introduce myself. My name is Adiana Nuresa. I am student at Bina Sarana Informatika campus, majoring in information system. Here I will explain about computer and hardware. Okay, computer definition. A computer is an electric device designed to process and multiply data automatically according to instruction or program given. In other words, a computer is a machine that can receive input, process it, store data, and instruction, and produce output in the form of information. Next, understanding computer. Definition of computer. Data processing device. A computer is a tool used to process data automatically according to the instruction given. Electronic device. A computer consists of electronic components that work together to perform various tasks. Main function. A computer has the main function of receiving input, processing data, storing data, and producing output. Von Neumann architecture. The basic concept of a modern computer comes from the von Neumann architecture, which explains how various computer components work together. Next, computer structure and function. Input device. An input device is a piece of hardware used to enter data or instruction into a computer. Example include keyboard, mic, scanner, microphone, and joystick. Input device facilitates communication between the user and the computer, allowing the computer to process the entered information. Output device. An output device is a piece of computer hardware that conveys information or data from the computer to the user or another device in a human reliable or machine reliable form. Common examples include monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. Next, CPU or Central Processing Unit. CPU or Central Processing Unit is a hardware component that is the core computing unit in a server. Server and other smart devices convert data into digital signal and perform mathematical operation. The CPU is the main component, that process signal and makes computation possible. The CPU acts as the brain of any computing device. The CPU fetches instructions for memory, perform the necessary tasks, and send output back to memory. The CPU handles all types of computing tasks that are required for the operating system and application to run. Next, history of computer. History of computer. First generation computer with vacuum tubes such as the ENIAC. Second generation computer with transistor such as the UNIVAC. Third generation computer with integrated circuit such as the mini computer. Fourth generation computer with microprocessor and integrated circuit such as the personal computer. Next, computer function. Computer function input receive data or information from outside, for example, via keyboard or mouse. Processing processes data received according to the instruction given. Output display the result of data processing, for example, via monitor or printer. Storage store data or information either temporarily or permanently, for example, in hard disk or RAM. Next, types of computer. Types of computer. Desktop. A desktop computer that usually consists of a main unit, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Laptop or notebook. A portable computer that can be carried around. Tablet. A portable computer with a touchscreen. A smartphone, a mobile device that can perform various computer tasks, such as accessing the internet and application. Next, computer use. Computer use work. Computers are used for various office tasks, such as typing, creating presentation, and managing data. Entertainment. Computers are used to play games, watch video, and listen to music. Learning. Computers are used to access information, study only, and do schoolwork. Communication. Computers are used to send emails, make a video call, and communicate via social media. Next, hardware. Hardware is the physical part of a computer that can be touched and felt, such as the internal component inside the computer case and external device connected to the computer. How, how hardware works? The way hardware works is based on three basic commands or instruction set. With this command, hardware can carry out various instructions that have been given. What are the functions of hardware? The main function of hardware here include many things, such as in terms of displaying and receiving process input, providing output, supporting computer work, and processing information or data that it that is inside or outside the computer. Next, general function of hardware. Processing data or information. This means several types of hardware that have the function of processing or processing data or information. Receiving output. It is hardware that has a special function in receiving input from the user. That way, the hardware will process it into new information. Giving output. Once processes, the hardware will give output again to the user. Of this output can be seen by the user with is displayed on special hardware. Storing information data in this case, all output produced by the computer can be saved on the computer secondary storage device. Okay, next, types of hardware. Input device, a type of hardware that is useful for entering information or data, whether in the form of video, text, image, audio, and other into a computer. Mouse is a type of hardware that functions to move the cursor on the computer screen. Keyboard, a type of hardware that functions to help user enter number, symbol, and letter into the computer. Output device are a type of hardware that is useful in displaying information and printing the result of user input data. The data or information come from input hardware that is gone through the hardware process. Monitor is a component that every company needs to have in carrying out various jobs. Generally, the work is related to the printer, one type of hardware that you can use to print out kinds of document you want. LCD projector, hardware that is useful for making it easier for you to display video or image on the LCD screen of a computer. Next, various kind of hardware, mainboard or motherboard. The motherboard is the most important part of the computer because it contain the BIOS or basic input output system, input output connection controller or chipset, processor socket, memory socket, or RAM, graphic card socket, or VGA card, and additional card socket or additional cards such as PCI, ISI. BIOS is the main part that regulates the input-output system on the computer. Processor or CPU. The processor is the central brain of the computer. The processor is one carries out all the programmed command and is stored on the hard disk. Hard disk or HDD. Hard disk is a permanent data storage media, so data is not lost even if the electricity is turned off. A printer. A printer is a tool for printing the result of a computer works on the paper media. Printers are available using dot matrix, ink, and laserjet system. Keyboard. A keyboard is a keyboard that contains all types of letter, number, character, and punctuation marks that are meant for computer users to enter data into a computer. Next, hardware input. Pointing device, mouse, touchpads, touchscreen, multi-touch screen, and smartboard and fingerprint scanner. Audio input device, microphone and mini keyboard. Bluetooth peripheral, Bluetooth keyboard, a mouse, headset, a gamepad, or printer. Network device, Ethernet hardware, and Bluetooth or wireless hardware. Next, processing hardware. Control unit is type of hardware manage and supervise the operating of the processor and other components that are important is the data processing process, arithmetic and logic unit. The arithmetic and logic unit, or ALU, is responsible for all arithmetic and logical operations as addition, multiplication, subtraction, definition, and logical comparison operation. Next, hardware output. Short copy output is hardware that produces visual, sound, or network displays such as projecting display, interactive smartboard, headphone, and cardboard, Ethernet cable, flash drive, and external drive or optical drive. Hard copy output is hardware that produces something in tangible physical form such as the metric printer, 3D printer, and thermal printer. Next, storage hardware. Main memory include DRAM, SRAM, and ROM. Secondary memory include hard disk drive or HDD, optical disk, flash disk, and external disk drive. Okay, maybe that's all for me about computer and hardware. I apologize if there are any wrong words because my English is bad. That's all, and thank you.